Ball turret. Based on Wikipedia articles, Encyclopedia. A ball turret was a spherical shape fitted to some American-built aircraft during World War II. The name arose from the turret's spherical housing. It was a man turret, as distinct from remote-controlled turrets also in use. The turret held the gunner, 2 heavy machine guns, ammunition, and sights, designed ventral versions that became the most common version. Thus, the term ball turret generally indicates these versions. The gunner was forced to assume a fetal position within the turret with his back and head against the rear wall, his hips at the bottom, and his legs held in mid-air by 2 footrests on the front wall. This left him positioned with his eyes roughly level with the pair of light .50 caliber machine guns which extended through the entire turret, located to either side of the gunner. The charging handles were located too close to the gunner to be operated easily, so a cable was attached to the handle through pulleys to a handle near the front of the turret. Another factor was that not all stoppages could be corrected by charging, cocking, the guns. In many cases, when a stoppage occurred, it was necessary for the gunner to reload the gun, which required access to the firing chamber of the guns. Access was severely restricted by the gun's location in the small turret. Normally, the gunner accessed the firing chamber by releasing a latch and raising the cover to a position perpendicular to the gun, but this was not possible in the ball turret. To remedy that, the front end of the cover was slotted. The gunner released the latch and removed the cover, which allowed space to clear the action. Small ammunition boxes rested on the top of the turret and additional ammunition belts fed the turret by means of a chute system. A rebelter was hung from the top of the turret, positioned roughly between the gunner's feet. In the case of the B-17, the Liberator's tricycle landing gear design mandated that its A-13 model Sperry ball turret have a vertically retractable mount, so that the turret would not strike the ground as the plane pitches up for takeoff or during the landing flare. The conventional landing of the B-17 allowed for a non-retractable mount, but if the plane was required to do a belly landing, such as in the case of landing gear system failure, the ball turret would likely be destroyed due to the lack of clearance, meaning anyone occupying the turret would be in a precarious position if unable to escape. References: 1 Aircraft Fire Control, Great Neck, New York, Sperry Gyroscope Company. May 26, 2020. 2 Holly, Irving B. Jr., June 1947.
Air dorsal 13.
Development of aircraft gun turrets in the AAF, 1917 to 1944. Report. Army Air Forces Historical Studies. AAF Historical Office, Headquarters, Army Air Forces. Retrieved June